How to fix X or Twitter app playback error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix X or Twitter application playback error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, tap and hold X or Twitter application. Tap I button to access app info section of X. Scroll down, locate storage uses, tap on it. Tap clear cache and clear all the caches. To clear data, you can tap clear data and tap delete. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device and you'll be logged out from the X application. Come back to the app info section where you can easily tap manage notifications and turn all the notifications. Tap permissions and make sure to allow all the application permissions here one by one in this way. Once you're done with that, come back to the home screen or home page of your mobile device or Android device. Once done, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner. Tap search apps and games at top of the screen. Type in Twitter or X and then search for the update. If there is update button next to the application, tap update button and wait for a while until the updates has been completed. Updating your application will fix different kinds of bugs and errors. Lastly, you have to restart the device. For that, hold on the power button and you will get the restart button. Simply you can slide towards the restart to restart device. Once followed all the steps, you will help or this steps will help you to fix X or Twitter application playback error issue fixed. So thank you for watching.